Still on the Maytag dishwasher or Whirlpool dishwasher, whatever their brand names are, because they're all the same from that particular company. This is the common start button problem. See that piece of plastic there? That's how they're holding this this circuit board in. And when that fails, it drops, and you can kind of see how it's bent. So when you push the start button, you actually have to keep pushing it over time, more and more and more, and that just keeps moving out of the way. So the idea is going to be to insert a pin over here so that doesn't happen. Lots of people use screws, but you do need to be careful of making contacts across this board section. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. First step is to drill a hole. Okay, for my particular setup, I'm going to use this relatively small drill bit. I mean, it's not that small, but a relatively small. For my particular setup, I'm going to use this relatively small drill. I think it's like 1/8 or something. And then I'm going to use one of these plastic screws that are often found in kids' toys. The idea is I'm going to create the hole, put it through, and then I'm going to put heat shrink tubing on the end of this to create that barrier. All right, now with the piece of heat shrink tubing cut and some tweezers, I'm going to push the fastener through, and we'll need 2 hands for that, but you know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm just winding the fastener in there, or the screw, or whatever you want to call it, with the heat shrink tube over top of those contacts. Okay, with that heat shrink tubing there, now we know that it's insulated for sure. Time to plunk it back in. Okay, and with that back in, everything is functioning properly, at least from a tactile sense. Plugging it in, we'll figure it out, but the start button is, you can hear it, it's fully actionable now.